Exclusively from Brother, the benefits of breakthrough INKvestment Tank technology at a price that's hard to pass up. Brother INKvestment Tank printers use re-engineered high-capacity ink cartridges that transfer ink to an internal storage tank, giving you up to 2 years of ink right in the box. The innovative page gauge takes the guesswork out of when you need to replace your ink, so you can print confidently. Plus, INKvestment Tank's high page yields help keep printing costs low. Enjoy fast and easy copying, scanning, printing, and faxing. You'll love the convenience of automatic duplex printing and wireless printing and scanning from your smartphone or tablet. Perfect for your home or small office at an incredible price. Start saving with up to 2 years of ink in box and change the way you ink. Only from Brother.